Get ready, Pittsburgh! Big changes are coming to South Hills Village, and you won't want to miss what's next. From the arrival of a top-tier department store that's setting the stage for luxury shopping to fresh, trendy spots that are going to redefine your retail experience, these developments are more than just new stores, they're game changers for our community. Whether you're a longtime resident or new to the area, this video will show you why the South Hills of Pittsburgh is about to become an even hotter spot to live and shop. So grab your coffee or a glass of wine and sit back and let me walk you through everything you need to know that's happening at South Hills Village. If this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything about living, eating, shopping, and moving in Pittsburgh, then subscribe below and tap that bell for notifications so you can be the first to know what's happening in Pittsburgh. I'm Krista Lorenzo, and I get calls and emails every day from people just like you looking for help on making a move in Pittsburgh, and I absolutely love it. Whether you're buying, selling, or building in 1 week or 1 year, give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email so I can help you make a smooth move in Pittsburgh. As your local real estate expert, I always keep an eye on the pulse of our local communities. The South Hills of Pittsburgh has long been a desirable area for home buyers due to excellent schools, vibrant neighborhoods, and convenient access to the city. But what really excites me is the way the area continues to evolve, particularly with new businesses set to open in South Hills Village. These developments not only enhance the shopping experience, but also significantly boost the attractiveness of nearby residential areas. So let's dive into the details of what's coming to South Hills Village and what this means for our community. Maur, a game changer for South Hills Village. One of the most anticipated arrivals at South Hills Village is Maur, a family-owned department store with a reputation for exceptional customer service and a broad selection of high-quality merchandise. Slated to open in November, this store will take over the massive 118,000 square foot space that was previously Sears. When I was growing up, we would come here all the time to go to Sears. My dad had a lot of investment properties, and this was his favorite paint store. Maur's entry into the Pittsburgh market is significant, known for its upscale offerings and a commitment to personalized shopping experiences. This store is expected to draw shoppers not only from the South Hills but across the Pittsburgh region. For nearby homeowners, the addition of Maur enhances the value proposition of living in the South Hills, as the convenience of having a top-tier department store within minutes can be a strong selling point. Ashley HomeStore, furnishing the future. Another major addition that just opened is Ashley HomeStore. The space is 20,000 square feet and it's right beside Ulta and DSW. This store offers a wide variety of furniture and bedding, catering to both classical and contemporary tastes. As the largest retail furniture chain in North America, Ashley HomeStore is known for its stylish, affordable products that appeal to a broad demographic. For real estate, the proximity of such a well-known home furnishing store is a huge benefit. New homeowners often prioritize accessibility to furniture and home goods, making this addition particularly appealing to those looking to move to the area. Whether you're staging your home for sale or moving into a new one, having an Ashley HomeStore nearby makes life a little easier. J. Crew Factory. Style meets convenience. Fashion-forward residents will be thrilled with the arrival of J. Crew Factory. This retailer offers stylish clothing at more affordable prices compared to its mainline stores, making it a favorite for both casual and professional wardrobes. The presence of J. Crew Factory adds to South Hills Village appeal as a shopping destination. Warby Parker. Eye care and eyewear revolutionized. Warby Parker, known for its innovative approach to eyewear, is also setting up shop in South Hills Village. This brand has revolutionized the way people buy glasses, offering stylish frames and eye care services at competitive prices. For families and professionals alike, having easy access to affordable, fashionable eyewear is a big plus. This addition further underscores the mall's evolution into a modern shopping hub that caters to the needs of today's consumers. Beyond these larger tenants, South Hills Village is also welcoming a Five Below and a new New York-style bagel shop. Five Below is known for offering a wide range of products at $5 or less and is particularly popular with younger shoppers and families. Our girls loved having a Five Below just a couple minutes from our house when they were younger and growing up. It was great to buy little gifts for birthday parties as well. The bagel shop will satisfy those cravings for authentic, delicious bagels, a morning staple that will surely attract a steady stream of customers. These new businesses enhance the overall shopping experience, making South Hills Village not just a place to shop, but a community hub where people can meet, eat, and enjoy time together. The influx of new businesses at South Hills Village is more than just a retail expansion. It's a signal of the growing vibrancy and desirability of the South Hills area. For homeowners, these developments mean increased property values and enhanced quality of life. For prospective buyers, the convenience of having top-tier shopping, dining, and lifestyle options nearby is a compelling reason to consider moving to the area. As these new stores open their doors, expect to see a ripple effect throughout the community. More foot traffic in the mall can lead to increased demand for housing, especially for those who prioritize walking and access to amenities. This is an exciting time for the South Hills, and as a realtor in Pittsburgh, I'm thrilled to see how these changes will continue to shape our community. Whether you're thinking about buying, selling, or simply curious about the market, I'm here to help you navigate these exciting developments. And like I said, whether you're moving in 1 week or 1 year, give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email so I can help you make a smooth move in Pittsburgh. Until next time, I hope to show you around town.